When a number is multiplied by itself, you get a square number. And it's called a square number because you can show its factors as a square array. So here we just have one square. Here we have a 2 by 2 array, which gives us 4 squares. Here we have 3 by 3, which gives us 9 squares. A 4 by 4 array gives us a total 16 squares. 5 by 5 gives us 25. And 6 times 6 gives us 36. So we can write a small 2 after a number to square it. So 1 and then a small 2 means 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 and then a small 2 is 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. And when there's a small 2, we say squared. So here we would say 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. 4 squared is 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. 5 squared is 25, and 6 squared is 36. Now we have 7 by 7, so we have 49. 8 by 8 is 64, and 9 by 9 is 81. So we can say that 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, and 9 squared is 81. So 49, 64, and 81 are all square numbers. Sometimes you'll see square numbers in calculations like this. So here we have 7 squared plus 4 squared. So 7 squared means 7 times 7, which is 49, and 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. So we need to add 49 and 16, and that gives us our answer 65. So 7 squared plus 4 squared equals 65. Here we have 10 squared minus 3 squared. So 10 squared means 10 times 10, which is 100. And we need to subtract 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, which is 9. So 100 minus 9 gives us our answer 91. Now see if you can do 8 squared minus 4 squared. Well, 8 times 8 is 64, and we need to subtract 4 times 4, which is 16. So 64 minus 16 gives us our answer 48.